right? Because every organization, I'm not talking about only the IT industry, non-IT, private, public, government, every organization need to set up their own email services by using their own domain controller, right? So small business, big business, medium business, every organization need to set up, purchase their own a kind of domain, and associate the all tenant with the domain and create email ID with the organization name. Fine, cool. Of email services, I'm not talking about only the Microsoft 365 portal. You should aware about what others, how many providers are available in the market that give us option, that give us a platform to set up email services for our employees, right? So let me tell you everything related to the email providers which are available in the market. So very first topic, this is the complement, which is not a part of our like at the Microsoft, because Microsoft just give us a basic another mailing service provider, right? So first topic is email service provider, right? So in email service providers, like I'm just going to divide it into three different parts. First one is cloud based, like how many cloud platforms are available that give us option to set up our email services. And second, you aware about on-prem. What do you think about on-prem? I'm just talking about only the meaning of on-premises. What is on-premises? Exactly. Yeah, means full control. You are responsible to take care of the storage, services, hardware, network, cooling of server, monitoring, license, application, everything managed by us, right? And we have another option. So let's start with cloud service provider. How many cloud platforms are available that give us option to set up our email services? So let me start from the very basic. You aware about Google Workspace, right? Earlier it was Google Suite, but now Google did lots of changes on their portal, so now you can consider it as a Google Workspace. And the second one is Amazon Web Services. We have one corner for mailing management. If you are going to open or sign up yourself over AWS portal, you will find one dedicated platform, one dedicated service that help us to manage the email services. And the last one is MS 365. Earlier it was Office 365, right? And a huge gap between Microsoft 365 and Office 365, right? And on premises, in on premises we are able to find again two different way. Microsoft Exchange server, right? I'm talking about the dedicated license, and the second one is Lotus Note, right? So Lotus Note is basically a product of Linux that give us option to establish email services, but we don't have much features, we don't have much options related to the mailing services that you can manage with the help of Lotus Note. And the next one is others. So you aware about GoDaddy, right? Bluehost and Hostinger. So these, right, lots of like the email service providers are available that you can consider as a others, because these platform can also give us another options as well. Like you can buy your own domain, you can like as a host your website, you can create your WordPress server or SSL. Lots of services provided by these platforms, right? Our motto, because see, Microsoft 365 engineer or administrator is not only responsible to just take care of the mailing services. Sometimes you need to work as a consultant, right? You need to guide someone, like who actually required, who looking to set up their mailing services from a specific platform. So you can guide them according to the budget of a company, according to the budget of client. If client is not ready to pay much amount, right? Like I'm just going to start my business. I'm a startup, right? And I'm going to hire 5 to 6 employees to perform some tasks, few of marketing people, some sales manager, like that. But I really don't want to invest much amount for the mailing management. So you need to guide them. The like which platform can help us to set up email for 5 employees within 1,000 rupees, within 2,000 rupees, within 1,500 rupees. Because Microsoft 365 bit costly in compare of other. So you can ask them, you can set up your email services with the help of Amazon, because Amazon will charge you $250 INR, 250 rupees INR in for per user per month, right? As it is, GoDaddy can also charge us 475 rupees per user per month. So these all platforms can help us to establish our email services for any employee, for any specific organization. Is that clear? Our focus, we are going to work with Microsoft 365 and Office 365. This is our agenda. All okay? We are going to perform all the tasks related to the mailing services by using these platforms. So you should understand about like how we can start our journey for with Microsoft 365 services, with Office 365 services. So few points that you need to keep in your mind to establish email services, to understand about the features of our Microsoft 365 portals, right? So let me guide you. Few things that you need to know. Set up Microsoft 365, right? Portal management.
Right.
And in this case, what you need to do, very first step, create M365 root account, right? This is really important. You should start with root account, and it will
Mhm.
provide us an option of tenant. What is tenant? Any input about tenant?
Tenant is basically it's basically a service. So actually, this resides on Azure platform, right?
Mm-hmm.
And each time we are getting the subscription. Each subscription, based on subscription, we get the tenant or the area where we have full access and we can um, uh, yeah, it's like that. It's a service, I think, as far as I understand.
Cool. So now, initially, we need to work, we need to understand the gap between 365 root account, concept of tenant, why it is important, how we can add custom domain to our tenant. After that, you should know about the default domain provided by Microsoft, and then we'll start with users, group, and contacts. Because initially, you should know about the options which are available in our Microsoft 365 users properties, different types of groups provided by Microsoft, and the importance of contacts. Why contacts come into the picture? So these all points we are going to discuss initially, right? These all are the
Yeah.
part of module one. You can say that the first topic. Any
So,
question?
yeah. So basically, when it comes to the contacts, so basically you're referring to the email, right? Email address, right? Outlook part, right?
Contacts you're talking about, right?
Yeah. Right. And I'm asking actually,
No, no, no,
right?
no, 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 no.
No,
See, contact
even okay.
contact work just like as a phone book, right?
I
If
see.
I'm going to
Okay.
save your information, right, for further conversation, I want to call
Mm-hmm.
you like as a within 15 days or 10 days. I want to reach out to you. So what I need to do?
Right.
I need to just write down your. I need to
Okay.
save your contact number with your name, with your designation on my mobile phone, right? And
Mm-hmm.
whenever I need to coordinate. I will coordinate to you. I will call you, right? I will WhatsApp you. As it is, Microsoft can give us a dedicated place where we can save the information about our client.
So does it mean like it would be like so we are basically saving the profile basically
You
under
can
the
say, yep, yep,
another user. Okay,
yeah.
got it.
This
Got
is
it.
first use. Another use, contact also come into the picture whenever we perform the task related to the migration. I want to migrate my mailing services from one tenant to another tenant. I want to migrate my email services from on-premises domain, on-premises Exchange server that I established on my base machine, and I'm planning to migrate all the mailboxes to the Microsoft 365. Then again, contacts come into the picture.
I see. Okay.
So, lots of things that we are going to discuss one by one because this is the part of our fourth. So let's start with our create Microsoft 365 root account, right? So root account, as per the name suggests, this is the owner. It will be the owner of your entire portal. Though I have already set up my account, I can directly show you how it's look like. But you also need to know about the way, the procedure, how we can create our fruit tenant over a Microsoft 365, how we can avail multiple types of free trial account for the testing purpose, for training purpose, for any kind of implementation that you are going to perform by on, right? Then we'll discuss about tenant, importance of custom domain, and then we'll talk about the Microsoft users group and context. Is that okay?
Sorry, say the last part one more time, please. The contract I understand. The contract you're referring to. That I understood. So, did you add any other point?
For now, we have lots of option in users properties, group properties, and contact. One by one, we are going to discuss. Let's start with these four, and after that,
Okay.
we'll talk about the another upcoming content. Right?
Sure. Sure.
Fine. So, very first step, how to set up, right? This is really important because I'm going to start from the very basic that you can understand everything. And if you, in future, if you are going to guide someone, so you also need to like guide them like this way. How to set up a root account? Yes, root account for Microsoft 365. MS 365 portal. So Microsoft 365 portal is a type of cloud platform. Is it right?
Yeah.
And in cloud, you can consider it as a SaaS services, software as a services.
Right.
Without subscription, without license, we are not able to perform any task.
Mm-hmm.
You must need to create your own free trial account. You need to set up your like basic information, contact detail, and credit or debit card details, and then Microsoft will authorize you and provide you one dedicated place in the backend of data center of Microsoft.
Mm-hmm.
Set up free trial account for MS365, right? MS365. You should open office.com. This is URL, right, that you need to use. HTTPS and type www.office.com.
Mm-hmm. But Manjit, I mean, I actually, I used actually earlier, like, bunch of time, I used the trial account, before. The only thing I noticed that after 30 days,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I always cancel, the trial before 30 days, okay?
Okay.
But I was not able to use the same account again. So you mentioned that, I could continue the trial, right? Um, as long as I want. Is this true? Or did I hear correctly?
Are you still able to access Office 365 portal with the help of same user ID and password?
No, I did not try it,
No,
but
no.
I was
Are you able to open office365.com by using same user ID and password? I'm not talking about the license.
Office 365, right? Same user and account.
Yeah.
Okay, so is that like I think earlier I used like the GoDaddy, like the company account. Okay, it's like when I say company, it's basically the email address is coming from the specific domain, not the typical Gmail or Yahoo. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I can open like Microsoft 365 by using my
Custom domain.
Outlook account.
Custom
Outlook
domain.
account.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it means that you are not, you don't have access of root account because root account always connected with on Microsoft.com.
Right. Right. Exactly.
Right.
Exactly. So yeah. Yeah, so so that's what I recently created on. Recently created on, yeah, because they were asking me to create a
Hmm.
M365 account first, which is as you mentioned, like that will be part of one Microsoft, right? .com,
Correct,
right?
correct.
Yeah, yeah. So and then I have to cancel it because 30 days is already expired. So I have to cancel before
No,
30
no,
days.
no. See, no need to
No.
cancel it. No need to cancel it because we have a
Okay.
multiple free trial licenses are available. Let's take an
Okay.
example. Let me give you one example. I'm going to start my Microsoft 365 journey from 1st of January 2026, right? Today I'm going to
Right.
sign up a fresh account over a Microsoft 365 portal. Definitely it will be applicable for next 30 days only.
Right.
After
Right.
30 days, definitely Microsoft going to disable my free trial. So no worry,
Right.
I'm able to access my Office 365 portal with the help of a root account that provided by Microsoft. They are going to just block the access of license, not entire portal. So after
Oh.
30 days, like first Feb, I'm going to buy another free trial because I have
Oh, is
already
it like?
provided my credit and debit card over a portal, right? Everything is verified by Microsoft. So next month on 1st of Feb, I'm just going to proceed with another free trial. As it is, you can avail up to 6 to 7 different free trial.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know that. So, but the thing is, if you are having a like, if you are having a credit card in their system,
Yeah.
they won't automatically charge you. So basically, you need to cancel that, right?
No. In case of free
Okay.
trial, no,
Uh-huh.
no any cloud platform are authorized to like I said charge you automatically,
Okay.
right? Let me tell you
I see.
everything related. If you are moving yourself from free trial to pay as you go, let's take an example.
Mm-hmm.
Now you decided let me take one pay as you go account from Microsoft and you converted your free trial to pay as you go. And now they are fully authorized to charge automatically from your credit card. And the maximum limit for Microsoft 2 lakh rupees, for Amazon 2 lakh rupees, for Google Workspace 20,000 rupees, right? So these all are the amount that they are going to charge automatically, no OTP required,
Mm-hmm.
right? But it will be applicable only and only pay as you go, not for free trial. Even
I
if you are
see.
not going to disable your free trial account after 30 days or within 30 days, your account will not convert automatically from free trial to pay as you go.
Oh, I see. I see. I have to convert it, right?
You have to convert it because they are going to send you lots of email. Your free trial account will be expired within 3 days. Do you want to proceed and convert into pay as you go? So they will give you lots of notification within 7 days. So do not proceed to pay as you go. Otherwise, they are authorized to make changes. They are authorized to charge you automatically.
Okay. So do you think like you will, because that's something somewhere I was having difficulty so um do you help me to like create a new one,
No need to
just
no need to create
okay.
new one because if you have a old portal access, I'll guide you with the existing account to
Okay.
avail another kind of free trial account for next 30 days.
Okay.
Hmm?
Sure. Sure.
Cool. So let me tell you about the way, the procedure, and prerequisites that we can use to create a new free trial account. You should open
Mhm.
office.com and few information that you need to take with you, like as your email address. I'm talking about any public email address, right? Maybe your Gmail account, maybe Yahoo Mail account, maybe Outlook account, right? Second, your
Mhm.
contact number, right?
Mhm.
And the third, credit card detail.
Mhm.
If you are in India, then please put your PAN card with you, right?
Mhm.
So these four information required to set up our free trial account over a Microsoft 365 portal or Office 365 portal.
Mhm.
All right, so I'm just going to open Incognito Wizard and I'm going to use my personal Gmail ID to set up a free trial.
Right.
Using any browser, please type office.com and it will redirect you on this particular page. And you guys are aware about like Microsoft can provide us lots of product apart from Microsoft
Right.
365, right? So
Mhm.
click on product, under the products, this is related to the enterprise. Yes, so please click on for enterprise. We are finding, we are like looking for the enterprise uh, services. So please click on for enterprise. It will redirect us on another page where we can find the free trial account. Clear? This is the panel,
Mm-hmm.
and in on this particular page you just need to click see plans and pricing, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now it will show you the list of licenses that provided by Microsoft, right? So wait for a few more minutes because we are trying to connect with the data center of our Microsoft, especially for mailing services. And now it's look like this. Initially it will give us option Microsoft 365 E3, E5, F3. These licenses are like we can find. You can download the PDF file to compare the gap between these licenses, because each and every licenses charge you separate amount, plus can give us a different kind of applications and services as well.
Right. Yeah, I clearly see the icons, at the bottom. So,
Yeah, it's like this you can find multiple
yeah,
like 43,
right,
45, 6,
right,
50, 55 services are available.
right.
So unfortunately only the A3 license can give us option for trial,
Oh, wow. Okay.
right? Microsoft
I see.
365 not allowed for now, and
Mm-hmm.
F3 is also not applicable. But you are you are able to avail free trial for these licenses as well, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Once you sign up, then you will definitely get the access of free trial. So I'm going to proceed with this one. Click on try for free, and it will
So sorry,
redirect.
Manjit. I think I missed the last part. So you were saying after having the account with for the E3,
Hmm.
subscription,
Yep.
then we would be able to get the E5 too. Is
E5
that what you
business,
said?
yeah, E5 business premium, business basic, business
Nice.
standard, but you
Okay.
should contain at least one root account, and then
Got it.
Microsoft will trust you and give you more option to prepare yourself, understand the component and services of Microsoft, right?
Okay. Got it.
Without any charges, right? And
Okay.
on this particular page, try for 1 month. Definitely I'm going for 1